Isn't it looking gorgeous? To see how these deviled egg are made, do watch video till end, and lot of plating technique I'm going to discuss today. So keep watching till end and do like, share, subscribe Chef Prasad Creations and hit on the bell icon for new more recipes and update. Keep watching, share your love. Thank you very much my family of YouTube, and do share your love the way you are sharing. Thank you. So let's start deviled egg. We are going to make two ways, and for that we need a perfect hard boiled egg. To make perfect hard boiled egg, we need to boil egg with enough of water, just enough to cover, and we need to boil for 12 to 15 minutes. So that's today's tip for boiled egg. So let's start. I have already boiled egg here, hard boiled. They are already shelled. I have taken out the cover, and we are going to cut them into equal parts. You can cut lengthwise or breadthwise, and slowly cut it into two half. This is how they look like once they are cut, and then we will remove the egg yolk and we will separate the egg white. So egg yolk will keep, and we will separate the egg white. We'll likewise we will cut all the eggs. Next step is our yolk and white are already separated, and I have yolk collected into a bowl. We are going to use a grater and grater, not to mash because we want to pipe them back. That's the idea, and that's how the deviled egg are being made. So we need to grate it finely with a grater. So let's grate. So grate it nicely into the bowl. You can just hold it into your hand like this and grate it so that everything will fall into the bowl. So our egg yolk is already grated finely. You can check the way I have grated. It should be very fine because we are going to pipe it. I would like to say it again. Now it's time to flavor this egg yolk with numerous ways. So you can play with this and you can flavor this egg yolk with anything. So we are going to flavor in a two ways. So I'm going to divide this egg yolk into two portions, and then let's see how we are going to flavor it with what. As we are going to make two different flavors, so I have divided the egg yolk into two. So we'll make one flavor first, which will be in a red color. So we are going to add a tomato ketchup. Then we have a little red chili powder to make it a little spicy. Then just about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to give it nice body, and mix all other ingredients, and salt to taste. That's it. So let's start. Ketchup. Chili powder, just a hint of chili powder. If you prefer to eat more spicy, you can add more chili powder as per your taste. Then we have mayonnaise. About 2 spoons of mayonnaise, and salt to taste. So maybe a pinch. And we are going to mix all these ingredients nicely together. So our mixture is ready. You can see smooth, nice mixture. We need to mix it properly in order to break all the lumps. And all this red mixture, what we have added, the ketchup flavor, we are going to add into a piping bag with a star nozzle. You can choose nozzle of your choice. I am going to use a star nozzle. So let's start. Our one flavor is ready, which is flavor the ketchup and red chili powder, and it's already in the piping bag. Let's start the another flavor. So I already egg yolk into the bowl as we took before. Then I have green chutney. This is a chutney of coriander, green chili and mint leaves, and I have added little garlic and lemon juice. You can make chutney of your own choice and flavor, and this green chutney we are going to add into egg yolk. So the green chutney is already into the egg yolk. Now we are going to add a mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and salt to taste. There is already a green chili, so if you want to make it more spicy, you can add more green chili to it as well, or you can keep it light spicy. So just quick stir, and we are going to mix all ingredients together, same like the way we did for the red one. Both our mixtures are ready. Now it's time for plating and presentation. You will learn a lot of technique in today's video about plating and presentation. So let's start. So I have piping bag ready, and then we'll just give a little cut so that we can make it properly, the nozzle. Okay, as you can see, then just it will go ahead with the piping like this, and just swirl it, and that's all. Our deviled eggs are ready with 2 flavors. Now let's start plating, and look how I am doing the plating and presentation. You will get many tips. So let's start. So I have this comb, plastic comb. I'm going to use to create a pattern, and it's very easy and simple. We'll take some mayonnaise and just place it over the platter, and then we have ketchup, like this, and then we will take the comb in the hand, and let's the magic begin. So our platter is ready. Now we will just put small garnish over the chilies. We have a red chili slice, and I'm going to put it over a egg, and I'm using a small tong, so it look pretty on the more you minute work you do, more it look pretty. And then we are going to put the coriander leaves on top, or mint leaves. We have used mint here, so we can use mint as well. So this minute work really needs patience, and then only you will achieve a desired result. And this is how you can create any different patterns or any garnish you wish to put over your appetizer or whatever you have created. So let's put this deviled egg over our presentation, and you can create or you can put the way you wish to, and you can see using simple tricks how beautiful the platter really look. Okay, we'll use the other one, the most. Okay, and then we'll place the round one, or the ketchup one also. And then if you want to beautify it more, you can just play with the garnish again, and we can just place these beautiful coriander flowers over the platter.